Now that the cake is in the oven, what we need to do now is get our toppings ready. So, topping the cake, we're going to top it with a chocolate fondant or chocolate. That will be our turtle cheesecake. So here we go. Now, chocolate chips. For every 1 cup of chocolate chips, you need a half cup of cream. Okay. I am going to go with roughly 2 cups of chocolate chips, which will be 1 cup of cream. Now, make sure that you have these medium-sized chips. If you have the smaller chocolate chips, you'll actually have more chocolate yielded per cup. If you have the big dropped chocolate chips, like the chocolate kisses, you'll have less chocolate yielded when you melt it per cup. So go with this size. This is the standard medium-sized chocolate chip. So we have 1 cup and 2 cups. You know what? I'm going to start with 3/4 of a cup of cream. Reason being, you can always add cream to thin it down, but you don't want this mixture to be too thin. If it's too thin, it won't set on the cake properly, not the way I like it. So I'm going to start off with 2/3 of a cup of cream. I'm going to mix, and if I need to adjust it, I can always make it thinner, but it's harder to make it thicker. If you add chocolate chips to the mixture that's already melted, you'll have lumps. It's hard to work with. So let's go with 3/4 of a cup. Right about there. Add that to our chocolate. Mix it around. Now we're going to place it in the microwave. We're going to start at 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll give it a mix. We'll see how the consistency is, if we need to make any adjustments or heat it up a little more, and we'll take it from there.